Okay.
I'm Bryce Goshert.
I'm Emma Gensmer.
I'm Blake Victor.
I'm Summer Rule.
We're all from Cacao Middle School in 7th grade.
My name is Jillian Kleinfelder. I'm an 8th grade student and I did this year's filming on this year's project.
My name is Delaney Jo Idell and I'm in 8th grade and I did the music for the video and I helped edit.
Hi, I'm Peyton Slosky. I'm in 7th grade and I helped produce this year's video.
Hi, I'm Josephine Winters. I'm in 7th grade and I helped produce this video this year.
I'm Chloe Shirk and I'm in 8th grade and I did filming and editing for this year's project.
Hello, my name is Katie Bohannick. I'm in 8th grade and I took photos and videos for this year's project.
Burkholder, I'm in 8th grade. This year I was Agent Aluminium for the What's So Cool About Manufacturing project and I did a lot of the editing for the project.
And action.
Hello, my name is Quinn Podlowski and we are representing Lingelstown Middle School.
Hi, I'm Cole Lydra.
I'm Mason Lydra.
And I'm Cash Ritter.
One interesting challenge for this year was that we weren't able to meet with the company in person, but we still got the video done.
I really enjoyed doing the interview with the Aquafenix people, and it was a very fun time to do that on Zoom.
I really enjoyed that also.
I had a good time working with the people at Aquafenix, and I had a really good time editing their video. Thank you.
Thank you.
We're West York Area Middle School and I'm Cooper.
I'm Ryan. I'm Connor.
I'm Aiden.
I'm Steven.
I'm Nick.
I'm Kevin. And I'm Reagan.
I'm Mr. Rundle.
And hi, I'm Mrs. Streebig.
And I'm Zach.
Hi, we are the York Country Day Greyhound team. I'm Caitlin.
I'm Allison.
And I'm Olivia. And we also have a 4th member, Hazel, who's currently not here with us.
Good luck, teams.